What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys exactly step by step of how I get a lot more reviews for my Amazon products. And honestly, the reviews are going to help you make a lot more sales in the future. This information I'm giving you guys right now is absolute gold. This is how I have all my products ranked on the first page of Amazon. Just, all I ask of you, just hit that subscribe button and like this video if you can. And let's get started. I'm gonna make it real simple for you guys. So what I personally do to get more views for my Amazon products, so for the Amazon business, I actually open an Instagram account. And with that Instagram account, of course, you're gonna have to build a bunch of pictures, build a nice account. And then what I personally do is I make some posts on Canva. And Canva, which is like, it's almost like a Photoshop, but it's a lot more user-friendly. And it gives you a lot more templates to make a bunch of like products for your whatever product you're selling on Amazon. So what I personally do is I put a couple pictures of my products, and then it's real simple. So I actually promote it on Facebook ads, and I say it depends on your criteria, right? It depends on your if it's for just women, if it's mainly targeted for men. You can always pick your audience with Facebook ads. And I say on the ad, I say looking for influencers with that are interested in getting a free product on Amazon Prime. There's no catch, and I spend about $5 a day on it, and you just get a bunch of people DMing you interested. And what you personally do after you get all those people in your DMs is that you send them the product from Instagram. So how you're actually gonna do this, what I like to do is I personally, when I'm really trying to promote the product, I'm not really caring too much about making profit, because you're doing that product launch and you're trying to get a lot of reviews and everything. And of course you need to get honest reviews. That's like the terms of service with Amazon, is that you need to make sure you're getting real reviews and honest reviews. So what you're doing right now is that you're getting a bunch of DMs, and what I like to do is I actually like to drop the price, let's say for a week or two, and I'll drop it to even $8, $7, whatever the case may be, depending on your product. And then I buy Amazon gift cards and then send it out to the people if they're interested in the product. I wouldn't do coupon codes, because when you do coupon codes, the purchases are not verified purchases. But when you do a gift card, they use the gift card and it's a verified purchase, and they can even leave a review for you, an honest review later on down the line, and they're super happy that they got the free product. There's a lot of people that tend to do this weird thing where they reimburse people after they make the purchase, but if you look at the customer standpoint of view, that feels like such a big scam. You don't even know whether this company is going to even reimburse you after the purchase. There's some weird things that I've seen that people do, where after you make the purchase, we'll reimburse you through PayPal, and that sounds so sketchy. This is pretty much the most solid method that I personally discovered, and it works really well for me, and I get a ton of honest, real reviews from it. And yeah, I mean, it really helps, and I really hope this video helps you out. I'm being super transparent with you guys of exactly how to grow an Amazon business, how to grow, get more reviews for your product. This is gold. I'm telling you, it's really, really good. So if this video was helpful for you, hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video if you can. Yeah, that's about it. I literally sell full-time on Amazon. This is what I do for a living. $1 million in sales as of last year, and probably this year is going to be a little bit over $1 million. And if you're interested in learning more about Amazon or have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on social media here, or I have a free course for you guys and a more advanced course. So yeah, see you guys on the next one. Also, I have more videos of how to get ranked on the first page of Amazon, how to do better PPC ads for Amazon, all that good stuff. So see you guys on the next one. Peace.